It's Robert Dinan. We're here again at Sarasota Park Bench. We're sitting on the park bench today with Paula, Sarah, and Cass from Union Home Mortgage right here in downtown Sarasota on Main Street. Paula, why don't you tell us a little bit about your business and what you do here in town?
Sure. We've been a local lender serving the community for 16 years, and we specialize in primary, secondary, investment properties, residential loans. We don't do any commercials, but we have plenty of networked people that do other things where we refer business out.
Excellent. And how long have you been doing this type of business?
I've been in the financial industry for 20 years, so
Okay.
Residential mortgage for about 16.
All right, and how about you? How long have you been in the business?
About 3 months, I believe.
See, we
She
have it,
actually
yeah.
brought me in.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Yeah. Mother-daughter team, right?
Exactly.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's great.
Yeah.
That's wonderful. And
Picks up on everything like that.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah. What about you, Cass?
Well, I've been in the sales industry for over 10 years, and I love what we do in the mortgage industry. Real estate in Florida is booming, and what we like to do for customers is that we give them accessible service, and a lot of the times these transactions are very time sensitive. So we're accessible to you pretty much the whole week, and even on the weekends when a lot of these deals go down.
Yeah, it seems that you guys are really customer service oriented. I think is the real play for you guys.
Yes,
I mean,
definitely.
it seems like that's top priority for you. Obviously, getting the deal done is most important. Tell me a little bit more about where you're located and where your offices are here.
Sure. We are downtown Sarasota in the brick building, 1800 2nd Street to be exact.
Okay.
And we've been there, I've been lending in there for many years with Union just recently. In fact, we're going to be having a grand opening in our office in the next couple months. So that'll be
Oh
some
wow!
exciting
See, if you come to the
announcements.
grand opening
Yeah,
of their wonderful
yeah.
new spot, and I'm sure you'll share with everybody.
Absolutely,
Yeah, of
it
course.
sure will.
Absolutely. So, how long have you been in the Sarasota area?
I actually was born in Clearwater,
Okay.
and my family owned a shoe store. My dad owned Buster Brown Shoes.
Oh, Buster Brown.
Buster
Wow.
Brown, yeah, yeah. And so we had stores in Bradenton, Sarasota, Fort Myers, and my family moved to the area when I was 11. From there, we had moved, and we had lived previously in Bradenton. And so I have, my brother's a city planner. He lives here locally. My sister lives on Anna Maria and is in accounting. So all three of us are in the area, both parents.
So no GPS for you. You know the whole area so
Yes,
well.
absolutely.
I mean, that's fantastic. That's fantastic.
Yeah.
Well, this is a exciting business, obviously, that you're in, but it's also a competitive business. So I know we talked about customer service, and that's important, but what made you choose this industry, and what kind of separates you guys from the other lenders out there?
Mm-hmm. Well, I was in the financial industry before I went into mortgage and just merged my way into doing mortgages.
So that kind of gave you a good background.
It gave me a great background,
Absolutely.
especially with high wealth, because I was with financial institutions, Smith Barney, Merrill, Payne Weber, and that really gave me a great foundation for looking at more complex profiles. And
Which is beneficial to a
it
lot of the
is,
people out there,
yeah,
for
it
sure.
is,
Yeah.
because a lot of people, they are deciding to move here, and this is going to be a second home or a primary home, but they're looking at a 5-year plan down the road. So they have
To
wealth.
transition to full-time down here is what you're
Correct.
saying. Yeah, okay.
Correct. So they might have wealth, but they might not have a current stream of income.
Right.
And so we're very creative in looking at the overall financial profile, much more than 1-800 transaction internet lender,
course.
which is just simply filling out a loan application and not able to look at it and give really good advice as far as structuring.
Right, so when someone calls your office and they're talking with you guys, you're speaking with a person, you're talking to you guys or
Yes,
people on your team. It's
definitely.
not, that's wonderful,
Yeah.
that's a great degree of separation,
Yeah.
especially in your industry. I mean, as everything moves to more robotic and,
Exactly.
less customer service oriented.
Exactly. We want to be relational, not just transactional.
Exactly.
Wow,
so we
that's a
wanna-
wonderful,
Yeah.
that's a wonderful quote there.
Thank you.
Yeah. Well, how would someone get in touch with you guys? I mean, I know we're going to have some information following the video for you, but what's the best way for you guys to have someone reach out to you?
Well, I try and answer my phone anytime someone calls me.
Okay.
And if not, we always return phone calls the same day. So phone, email, text, we have a website, application.
What's your website? What's your website?
It is Paula Switzer at unionhomemortgage.com.
Excellent,
Yeah.
excellent. Hey, I want to thank you guys for being on the park bench with me today. and I appreciate you coming here. Listen, for any of your mortgage needs, please reach out to this wonderful team, and they're looking forward to hearing from you, all right?